G'day guys, it's Tommy here from Raw Blend. It's definitely starting to cool down in Brisbane. Winter is here. So today I'm going to make you a brand new soup recipe. This is my parsnip and pistachio soup. Something a little bit different. So let's get started. So today I'm using the Vitamix A3500i. This is Vitamix's top of the line household model, and it's got some cool preset functions. It's actually got a soup setting, which makes it perfect for this recipe. Beautiful stainless steel body. First things first, I've got some liquid stock. You can use water and add a stock cube, but I'm just gonna put in 1.5 cups of macel. This is a vegan stock. All right, we're also gonna put in a little bit of coconut cream to cream it up. Now this is a parsnip and pistachio soup. It's a little bit tricky to say. So I've got some parsnips, 2 whole parsnips. Notice I'm using the end part as well. There you go. I've got some pistachios. So 1/4 cup of pistachios, without the shell, of course. I've got some spring onion. Notice I'm using the root. Okay, it's a whole food machine. That's exactly what you're getting. 1/4 apple. It's just gonna add a little bit of sweetness to my soup. Notice I'm using the stem, the seeds, the peel, 100% goes in. I've got 1 garlic clove, the skin, a little bit of flavor. I've got 1/2 teaspoon of cardamom. It's gonna add a beautiful flavor to the soup. And also a little bit of fresh thyme. Just break a few off there. I don't know, that's probably about 6 sprigs. And lastly, some herbal salt, a little bit of salt and pepper. This is vegan, this herbal salt. And also some pepper. There we go. I'm just gonna lock our lid into place. Always make sure that's locked in place, otherwise you'll redecorate your kitchen. Now I've got a soup setting here. You can see it comes up with 5 minutes, 45 seconds. So after that time is complete, it's automatically gonna turn off and our soup will be finished. Now Vitamix cooks using friction heat. There's actually no heating element in the machine at all. It's just frictional energy. You can imagine if I did that 500 times a second, how hot my hands would be. The same principle is working on the blade. So that's what's gonna make our soup hot. So this is just some cold stock, coconut cream, veggies. That's it. We're gonna have a hot soup ready in about 5 minutes. Okay, away we go. That's it. That's how easy it is. So it just took 5 minutes, 45 seconds. We've got a beautiful, hot, steaming soup. You ready for this? Look at that steam. Absolutely amazing. I can smell that fresh flavor of the thyme and the parsnip. If you want a more traditional soup, you can cook the parsnip and the vegetables first. You can roast them or boil them on the stove. It's entirely up to you. I like them raw like this. Look at that. So creamy, so beautiful, so nice. So good. You wouldn't believe that's the finished result from the ingredients I put in there. Parsnip, the pistachios, the thyme, so delicious. Hope you try this. If you have any questions or any thoughts, please let me know in the comments below. Happy blending.